So last night we did not have a tornado, but we did have some really wicked wind, and I was told it got up to about 71 miles an hour. This is the tree limb that fell on Dean's truck, broke the windshield because it was parked right underneath that tree that happens to miss most of its middle. We had a couple of other tree limbs, major tree limbs back there behind the camper, and then two major tree limbs on that tree behind the house. Actually, I can see where one has broke off there. So it's kind of an odd-shaped tree. And this is the rest of the tree that fell on Dean's car. We had to move all this morning in order to get out. It's my neighbor's tree, so I'm not sure what they're gonna do. But this side of town looks like this, just kind of debris everywhere. We have some siding. We have all of our shutters intact, but screws are now missing out of them. And we have other people's shutters in our yard and other people's trash. Both these cars outside were fine. And my car was inside. And we got some crates today. Woohoo! Can you turn the light on?
Yep.
You see this light? Scratching and windshield damage.
Yes. A little bit of hood damage there.
A little bit of hood damage.
Oh, and a little bit over here.
Oh, I can hear it. Well, and that's it for the storm. Oh, I guess while we're here I can take it. Ooh, that sounded like a bad pop.
Yeah, it did.
Here's the... Oh my goodness, I am now noticing, well, these are our trees that are off this big tree. There's a huge couple of trees down there behind our fence that are down. Oh, those are big ones. Nothing happened to this tree. I guess we trimmed it up pretty nice. I think our tomatoes have had it. All in all, we fared pretty well. Oh, I see another tree that's down. Where is it? Way back there? By the bench? Oh, there it is. And the Ranger is okay. The top came off of it and we had to cover it in the middle of the storm again, but all done. And the paint job on the house still looks good. Putting this pillar in helped. We don't have any more water issues on our back patio like we were having. So a limb broke off up here and over here. And Copper was scared all night.